So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add money from a debit card to your account on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, first off, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on Wallet. Then go to where it says Banks and Cards and press on Add New. And then where it says Debit and Credit Cards, I want you to go ahead and add a debit card to your account. So once that is done, go back to the home screen here. At the top where it says PayPal Balance, press on that. Then press on Add Money. And then type in the amount of money that you want to add. So for this example, if I did $10, I can press $10. And where it says choose a way to add funds, if you've added a debit card to your account, it'll say through your debit card. You can go ahead and press that, proceed with it, and then add money to your account from a debit card. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add money from a debit card on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.